Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 67.4, and I want to kind of see what we can play around with and tune a little bit to make some, I don't know, just some more sounds to go with this, I guess, what we got so far. So we get this, and I kind of feel like I want some more, maybe like some more drums or something, so... So what I'm thinking is I'm just going to record a loop into Blooper. I don't need it to be like timed or anything, I don't think. And we'll kind of work with it once we kind of get it in the right tonal space. I'm thinking I want it higher, so... Whoop. So I was probably playing a little fast there. It's fine. But let's now it's like sounding crazy, but I want more high end. Maybe even like those glitches, not too bad. The failure all the way up. Some kind of like glitches going on. So let's go to pattern, edit, get back to the sample page. We're gonna go to I. Let's just record some of this. Right. We need to get here. So let's kill all this. We just got like some random noise. So I'm going to chop this up. Go menu. We'll go auto mark, transients, hard. Let's try. Let's see what we get. I kind of like 1, 2, and 3. Actually, 14 is kind of nice. One, 2, 3, 6, 14. All right, we'll do it. So 1, 2, 3. We'll use C2 to change mark to 6. And we'll grab 14 and hit chop so that we get it. All right, let's delete that. I don't think we need anymore. This just gives us something we can kind of play with to add in a little bit more sound. So let's move over. Yeah, I don't know, something like that seems kind of fun. Maybe it's a replacement for that other one. Maybe? I don't know. Actually, all these sound a little too loud to me. So I think let's just go edit them. We'll go to make a mute group out of them. B. Alright. Exit. We'll go to pitch and speed. Hold copy to adjust everything in the mute group. $40? I don't know. I'll leave it for now. What else sounds like it might be interesting? Let's get out of here. I probably should have made a copy of this. So We can fix that later, but let's see what other... I kind of like that breathy sound. All right. Let's just record. Did it again. Go back here. We'll just record a little bit of it and see what we want to grab. I think that's enough. We'll stop it and get into start and end. Let's get the... I want to zoom in here. Sounds like there's almost like a... Okay. We will truncate that. And now let's go chop. Auto mark. Try transient hard again. We'll see what we get. Nope, that's too much. Let's try mid. These all seem kind of fun. 1 through 7. Seems good to me. Let's go assign to pad. Maybe a couple dupes there, but whatever. Delete that one. I need to turn fixed velocity off. Seven's what we want to start with, I think. All right. Let's go record here. Actually, nah, we're going to leave strength off. No, it's so bad. I don't think I can handle that. I'm going to delete it. I think after deleting it, I'm just going to call it a day. Because it's been going on pretty long still. Alright, we got a few things going on. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. Keep making music, keep having fun. If it sounds good, it is good. And peace.